Alright guys, what is going on? I'm here with a brand new unboxing video. We have the Hot Wheels Snowmobile. It's actually the HW Snowmsters Snow Ride. 3 out of 5, so there's 5 other ones. This is the 3rd one. There's 5 other snow series that we can get for this. Now, if you look at the back real quick, this is the back side of the box. HW Snowstormsters chilled out and ready to take on the powder. Build your Hot Wheels collection. Who gives a bad word about that? Alright, so we're gonna get right into this thing here. You've got to really be careful while you unbox these, not to hurt the box. So, you bend that back, and then you... Ah, dang it, I dropped it. We have the Snowmobile. Look at that beauty, I just want to lick it right up. We have these rails down here, or whatever they are. They don't really move. I mean, it was 99 cents. Pretty good deal for what it is. Really good quality item. Yeah. So there it is. Like I said, it's got pretty good mobility. Like skirt, skirt, vroom, skirt, vroom. Yeah, but it's looking pretty nice. And also, just to support our troops over in Germany, if you look really close right here, it says SS. Really close there. It might be hard to see. I don't know if the camera's in focus right now. Alright, but yeah, this is a really good product. Definitely recommend it, and I'm definitely going to do unboxing videos if I can collect the rest of the Stormsters series.
Can we see the bottom of that snowmobile?
Oh yeah, I forgot to do the bottom. It is made by Mattel, by the way, which I guess makes Hot Wheels. There's the bottom of it, if you can see it.
Focus over there.
Yeah, so this is a nice product.